In today's video, we are going to share everything you need to start your first website in 2024. Websites are truly a must in 2024, and they are now easier to build than ever before. With AI website builders like Hostinger and Bluehost, there is no excuse to be without a website for your business in 2024. In this video, we're going to share everything you need to get started. So stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss any of the information that we have for you here today. Let's get right into giving you an outline for the three things that we're going to talk about today. The first is website hosting and domain name. We're going to show you exactly how to get your web hosting plan up, how to pick your domain name, and everything you need to know about that. Next, we're going to show you how to create a website logo. There's a couple different websites you can use to do this, but we're going to show you one that we think is one of the best and most powerful tools. And third is website content. There are now so many different websites and platforms out there that help you create content for your website. Just one of them is ChatGPT. We're going to give you a couple other options as well. So make sure that you stick around because you don't want to miss any of these tips. The first thing that you need to do is set up your web hosting and pick your domain name. For your domain name, you want it to be something that's easy to remember. You can do a domain search on any web hosting platform. You can go to a company like Namecheap and just type in the domain name to see if it's available. Now there's a couple different ways to purchase a domain name. You can either purchase it separately from your hosting plan, like going to a website like Namecheap or Porkbun, and this will cost you between $10 and $20 per year to own the domain name. But especially when you're first starting out, this is not the way that we recommend you get your domain name. Most hosting companies are going to allow you to get your domain name within your hosting plan when you sign up. And Hostinger, the company that we're actually going to show you today, allows you to pick a domain name for free for your first year. In terms of what web hosting plan you should pick, there's a couple different ones out there that you might be confused by. Now we have videos on the channel that talk about all the different types of web hosting plans, so be sure to leave those linked down below in the description. But just to give you a brief overview, shared hosting is going to be the most common type of hosting. We recommend it for beginners because it's very affordable and it will be able to handle the traffic to your site, which likely won't be very much when you're just getting started out. VPS hosting is the middle option. It can handle a little bit more functionality and performance, and dedicated hosting is the top option where you have your own server and you can customize it just to your liking. That's for advanced users. We don't recommend that when you're just starting out, so you don't really have to worry about that. So we recommend that beginners start with shared hosting and use a platform like Hostinger that has a really low and affordable price to get started. We're going to show you exactly how to set up your account with Hostinger right now. So go ahead and click our special link down below in the description, and just know that we do get a small referral fee if you do choose to use our link at no additional cost to you. This helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for using that link. Go ahead and click on that link and we're going to join up here together and we'll walk through the process. Once you've clicked on that link, it'll bring you to our My First Website landing page here on Hostinger's website. And you'll see that for under $3 a month, you can have a web hosting plan today. Also note here before we get started that there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So for any reason you don't want to continue with Hostinger, you can get your money back at no risk to you. Let's go ahead and click on Claim Deal and we'll look at some of the options we have for our plan. When we click on Claim Deal, we see the premium, business, and cloud startup options here. So we see that the premium plan is $2.99 per month. The business plan is $3.99 per month. And the cloud startup plan is $9.99 per month. You're also going to get 2 months free on all of these plans. Let's look at some of the premium features. We get standard performance, 100 websites, 100 gigs of SSD storage, and weekly backups. You also get unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, a free email, and a free domain. That's really important. It's a value of $10 per year. The business plan is going to come with a little bit more storage. It's going to have daily backups and a couple other neat features here. As we scroll down, you can see some of the hosting or website builder features here. If you want the most functionality, you're going to need to choose the business plan, but a lot of the tools for the hosting or website builder, as well as the managed WordPress, are going to be things that you don't really need when you're just getting started. If you scroll down to the security and service and support, you'll notice that all three plans have a 30-day money back guarantee. They all have 99.9% uptime. They all have global data centers and 24/7 customer support. Let's go ahead and choose the premium plan here now. Once you've selected the premium plan here, you're going to have to choose a period for your hosting. Now, the only one that we do not recommend that you choose is the 1 month option. That's because it's really expensive for that 1 month, but if you lock in for at least 12 months, you're going to get a much better deal per month. Let's go ahead and lock into the 12-month option here, and you'll see that our price increases a little bit from that $2.99 price to $3.19 per month. Next, go ahead and create your account if you don't have one already. And if you scroll down here, we can see the premium web hosting plan for 12 months is $38.28 per month, which is a great deal. Let's go ahead and enter all of our information here, and we'll see that we have a plan discount with our special link of 73% off. But do not forget to click have a coupon code to add our special code to make sure that you get the best possible pricing, which is another couple dollars off. Make sure that you enter the code MyFirstWebsite and apply that code, and you'll see that that $38.28 drops down to under $35 for your first year of web hosting. Lastly, go ahead and enter your payment information here, and notice here at the bottom that they have that 30-day money back guarantee, so it's really at no risk to you to try Hostinger out. For under $35 $99, you get a full year of web hosting with Hostinger. We love Hostinger and share it with all of our viewers and friends because of their very affordable pricing. Once you're finished and you're ready to start your plan, go ahead and click Submit Secure Payment. Once you've done that, it should bring you to a similar page like this where you're going to have to select a domain name. So let's go ahead and choose our domain name. Now your screen might look a little bit different than this, but you're basically going to want to select your domain. And likely you're going to want to have a .com. Now in the bottom here, yours should say free because it's included with your plan. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to the bottom here and select next. After you've done that, it's going to set up your domain and it should bring you back to the home page that looks something like this. If you're not on the websites page, go to websites, click add website, and then we're going to use the Hostinger website builder. Go ahead and select your hosting plan. We have a couple different ones here, but you should just have one. After we select our plan, it's going to start building the website builder for us. Once you've done that, it should bring you to this page here and we can start creating our website now. So let's click start creating and it should bring you to tell us about your website. Now we're going to stop here and do a couple more things before we get into our AI website builder so that we're prepared to enter all the information for our site. Now that we've completed the first step of setting up your domain and your hosting plan, let's go on to step number 2, which is creating your logo for your website. Now there are a couple of different ways to do this, but the one that we're going to show you today is Canva. We'll leave a link to Canva Premium down below in the description. That's what I'm using here today to help create our logos. You can also use a company like Tailor Brands, which we'll leave linked down below in the description too. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to show you Canva. So go ahead and click on that link down below and create your Canva account. And once you've created it, it should bring you to the home page that looks something like this. Now I have the premium plan, which you probably won't need when you're just getting started. But I really enjoy some of the advanced features like taking away a background from an image. And you're going to have to pay for the premium plan if you want to use that function. Instead of learning everything you need to know about how to create a logo, we're just going to generate one with AI today. So I'll show you exactly how to do that inside of Canva. Once you're in Canva, go ahead and go down to apps, and then you're going to want to type in DALL-E, D-A-L-L-E, or it also is just over here on the right-hand side. Once you're on this DALL-E screen, this is actually powered by OpenAI. You can also do this within ChatGPT, but let's just do it inside of Canva because it'll give us more functionality on adjusting the image. Let's go ahead and click use in new design, and let's click logo down here at the bottom. Now that we're here, let's go ahead and enter some information here so it can generate a logo for us. I entered in the description, I said create a logo for my company. Let's go ahead and see what it's going to generate. So it created this logo for me here, which I actually really like. So I'm just going to go ahead and fit it to the screen here, and then I'm going to remove the background from this image. To do that, just click edit image and then go to background remover on the left-hand side here. Now it removed the background, and then I can just go ahead and crop out these other things that are not part of my image. Or I can also use the magic eraser here where I go ahead and brush over the things that I want erased. And just like that, if you click erase, now they're gone. And then I'll do that in the top section here as well, and then click erase. And I think I missed a little bit here. I'll go ahead and go over that again. And then now it looks great. And that's our final logo. That looks pretty good, I think. Now that we've created our logo, we finished step 2, and we need to start creating the content for our website. Let's talk about why this is important, and then we'll show you how to create it. The first thing that you want somebody to see when they see your website is an attractive layout. This is how you're going to attract your customer to continue looking throughout your website and eventually lead to a conversion if you're selling a product. There's a couple different ways and platforms to create good content for your site. Just to name a couple, there are Jasper.ai, Copy.ai, ChatGPT, and SEMrush. We have in-depth reviews of all of these on our channel, so we'll be sure to leave those linked down below in the description. But for now, I'm going to show you how to create this content with the new ChatGPT 4.0. We'll leave the information down below so you can create your account with ChatGPT. I pay $20 a month to always have access to ChatGPT, but you can also just use the free version. Let's go ahead and tell ChatGPT what we're doing and what it needs to create for us. I'm going to go ahead and start typing here. I'm going to say we are creating a website for my dog walking business named Sam Walks Dogs. Create all the contents necessary for the website. This will include the following sections. So we want to tell it the sections that we're going to need. We need a home section, about, contact, and services. So these are all the pages that I want on my website. Then I can say something like create a 300-word description for each page. Once you're finished with that, let's go ahead and send it in and see what it's going to give us. And after that, it created 300 words for all these different pages, which is going to be great for our next step here. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and go back to this page on Hostinger and enter our brand name, our website type, and then we're going to add a description. Let's go ahead and enter our brand name here, select the website type, and then for the description, let's just go ahead and select everything on the homepage here. And we're going to go ahead and paste that here in the description for Hostinger. Let's take out the homepage title. And then once we're finished with that, we can go ahead and personalize the settings here, or we can just leave them the same. Let's go ahead and create the website now. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and take a look at the website it created for us. You'll see that in the top right-hand corner, it has the home, services, about, and contact section, which is great because we have info for all of these different sections. Then we have a picture here in our little welcome section. If we scroll down here, we have some pictures as well as some of the services that we provide. And at the bottom here, we have a bit of a photo gallery as well as our services here again, and you can enter your email address to get in touch with us. It also has some icons here so that we can attach our social media. So let's go ahead and edit this site here. And the first thing that we want to do is to change out our header here, and we're actually going to replace that with the image that we created in Canva. And after we've done that, you'll see that it has our logo here in the top left-hand corner. Now we can change everything about this website. We can change the color scheme. We can change all of these pictures. We'll just show you a little bit about how to do that now. We have other videos on the channel that walk through this hosting or AI website builder in detail. And we'll be sure to leave those linked down below in the description, but we just wanted to give you an overview today and show you how to enter the information that we made on ChatGPT. On the left-hand side here, let's go to the pages and let's go to our services. Now we're going to enter all the services that we got from ChatGPT. So let's see what it says here. We have premium dog walking services, and these are all our services. Let's go ahead and go back to ChatGPT here and enter some of the services that we provide. Here are some of the services that we provide. Let's go ahead and copy those, and then we're going to put them over here in the box. We've copied all the services from ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and click on one of these boxes and add everything in here. Once we've done that, we're going to need to format it, and we're going to need to make sure that everything sounds good for us. So let's go ahead and take out the services page here, and we'll take out the dog walking services. Okay, so this first box looks like it's a little bit of an overview of what we provide. So let's go ahead and add a section here. So to do that, we're just going to generate a section that is very similar to this. So let's just go ahead and duplicate it, and then we're going to move that down here, and then that is where we're going to add the about section from ChatGPT. So I'll go ahead and decrease that font to 14 here, and then I'm just going to add the beginning paragraph here from ChatGPT. Okay, and if we want to move anything, we can just slide everything very easily here. Maybe we want to increase the font a little bit, so let's go ahead and bring that to 18. Actually, we can go up to 24 here. Okay, great. So that's an overview of our services here, and then we also have all the services over here that we're going to need to put into different categories. Now that we've copied this main paragraph over, let's delete it, and then we're going to put in all the services that we talked about here. This first one is daily dog walks, so I'm going to copy the title here and then put it here, and then I'll just go back here and delete it. Okay, great. Now we have daily dog walks, and the next one is puppy walks and socialization. We'll go ahead and copy that title, and then we'll put it over here, and then we're going to take that paragraph and put it over here as well, and then we can delete it from here. And then for the sake of this video, we'll just do one more for the senior walks that we're providing, so we'll put those over here, and then we're going to add our paragraph here. For now, I'm just going to delete everything else here so that we have a clean looking page with all of these services that we provide. Now, if you want to add a section here and put more pictures or something else that would help identify the services that you offer, you can do that. Like we said, this is just an overview to show you how to set it up. And obviously you're going to want to go through and make sure that all of this information sounds right and tailor it exactly to the services that you want to provide for your clients. So don't just copy ChatGPT, make sure that you edit it to say all the services that you are going to provide. Now you can go ahead and just repeat this step for all the different tabs up here and make sure that you put the information where it needs to go. Like we said, we're not going to go into too much detail because we have a video completely on the hosting or AI website builder. So go ahead and check that out if you want more information on this tool. The last thing we will say, when you're ready to publish your site, you're going to want to make sure that you view it both in desktop mode and mobile mode as well. Once you're ready to preview your site, just go ahead and click the preview button and it will show you both mobile and desktop. That's everything you need to know to start your first website in 2024. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more content like it in the future, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. This channel is dedicated to providing you free videos and tutorials like this one that will help you start and grow your first website. If you're looking to create your first website and you still don't know where to get started, we'll actually leave a link to a tool that we created down below in the description with all the other resources that we talked about in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your website building journey, and we will see you in the next video.